But it's good to say that we've exhumed so far 13 bodies and we've collected 18 body parts from this area. What I will say, even as we continue with the investigations, I will appeal to the families, because from what we've established so far since we discovered this new scene is that the people that are coming back, or the people that were here, are the people that we rescued in 2023, and some went back home. So from those that we have, we've realized that some of them were not fully accepted by their families or communities where they come from, and that made them to come back to this area. Of course, they didn't go to where we had the first incident. You can see they came further inside. So we'll appeal to the families kindly. Once we cancel these people, rescue these people, and bring them back home, accept them.
These locals are the ones that provide information to the government. And if we have a gap between the government and the locals, then it's going to be very difficult to find these the cult operators, because we've interrogated many locals and they actually fear giving out information to the government.